What you're about to witness will redefine the meaning of creation. Deep within an unforgiving wilderness, a hidden project takes its first breath. This is not just about building, it's a testament to the power of human will. Stay with us, because what emerges from this forest will be astonishing. Every measurement is a promise to the vision. With primitive tools, he begins to sculpt the untamed land. The forest provides the materials, but dedication provides the strength. Each piece is carefully shaped, destined for a greater purpose. With methodical force, ancient techniques bring the wood to life. He carves joints that will lock together, forming a sturdy skeleton. The quiet rhythm of his work echoes through the silent woods. Slowly, the scattered pieces begin to find their place. A structure is born from raw nature, a blueprint held only in the mind. The frame rises, a defiant silhouette against the dense green. Every beam is secured with conviction. He pauses, observing the emerging form. The vision is becoming tangible. Each nail is driven with precision and purpose. This is a dance of force and finesse, securing the foundation against the elements. A final check, a moment of quiet pride. The first chapter of his work is complete. Now, the floor must be laid, the ground upon which a new life will stand. Heavy timbers are positioned with immense effort. The shelter begins to take shape, piece by painstaking piece. An intimate connection forms between the builder and his creation. He works with the patience of nature itself. Every detail is considered, every angle perfected. The structure grows, a testament to his unwavering focus. Soon, this frame will become a sanctuary. He raises the beams, defying gravity with sheer will. The outline of a small home emerges from the wilderness. He works tirelessly, racing against the fading light. The higher he builds, the bolder the dream becomes. Each piece is a victory against the solitude. The rising walls promise shelter and security. A home is being forged in the heart of the jungle. Now, he must craft the skin of his shelter. He harvests planks directly from a fallen giant. The forest provides everything he needs. These raw boards will become the floor. Carefully, he lays the foundation for his new world. He secures each plank, transforming the earth into a home. The floor is now a solid stage for the next act. Inside his creation, a sense of peace begins to settle. But the work is far from over. He ventures back into the wild, seeking different materials. The forest offers its bamboo, light yet strong. This will form the ribs of the roof. He gathers what he needs, working in harmony with the land. Preparing the bamboo is an art in itself. Each piece is measured and cut with practiced skill. He carries his harvest back to the construction site. The journey is arduous, but the reward is shelter. As dusk approaches, the pace quickens. The next phase of construction begins. The roof, a shield against the sky, starts to take form. He begins by crafting the frame for the roof. Each notch is cut with absolute precision. The bamboo is prepared for its new role. A small mountain of material, ready to be transformed. The wooden frame of the roof is raised and secured. Now, he methodically lays the bamboo rafters. Creating a beautiful, intricate pattern against the sky. The work requires balance and unwavering focus. The structure is becoming more than just a shelter, it's art. He ties each intersection, weaving a web of strength. To protect his work, a final layer is added. A waterproof tarp will ensure the interior remains dry. The house stands complete, a jewel in the forest. A view from within reveals the beauty of his craftsmanship. His creation is a testament to what one person can achieve. Now, attention turns to the final details. A staircase is needed to bridge the ground and the home. He carves steps from the same wood that forms the house. Each step is a welcome to this new sanctuary. The finishing touches are applied with care. The structure is not just built, but lovingly crafted. He stands back to admire his work, a home built by hand. It sits in perfect harmony with the surrounding nature. A look inside reveals a space of tranquil solitude. The walls must now be raised, enclosing the space. The final stage of construction begins. He meticulously fits each plank of the wall. He hammers home the final pieces of his fortress of solitude. Each nail secures his place in this wild land. The walls rise, creating a private world within the vast forest. The simple structure now feels like a castle. He hoists a main pillar, the backbone of the outer wall. From the shadows, a home is truly being born. He assembles the entryway, a portal to his new life. He whittles and shapes each component by hand. The steady song of the saw marks the progress. He works high above the ground, fearless and focused. The view from inside is a frame of perfect, natural beauty. More pieces are cut, more of the puzzle is solved. He inspects his work, ensuring its integrity. The rhythmic hammering continues, a heartbeat in the forest. This is the sound of a dream being built. A gentle tap to ensure a perfect fit. The work is repetitive, but never tedious. Each action brings him closer to completion. The final nails are driven home. The structure is now secure, strong, and whole. He begins the final touches on the flooring. Checking the joints, ensuring a seamless surface. He secures the final wall panels. The house stands as a completed vision. Preparing the last of the major timbers. Nailing down the supports for the porch. Each part of his body is a tool in this process. The floor is extended, creating an outdoor living space. He lays the final planks with a sense of accomplishment. Securing the last of the floorboards. One final adjustment, one final piece. He prepares wood for the finishing details. Ascending to the roof one last time. Preparing the final layer of protection. The roof is sealed against the rain and wind. He meticulously fastens the weatherproofing. He makes sure his sanctuary is impenetrable. Final adjustments ensure a perfect seal. The roof is now complete. The finished home, a masterpiece of survival and craft. The project continues with unwavering dedication. Day after day, the vision grows clearer. He works through the challenges, fueled by his goal. Slowly, the interior spaces begin to take shape. Crafting not just shelter, but a place of comfort. The walls rise, a testament to his persistent effort. The structure becomes more defined with each passing day. The builder's focus is relentless. Every detail is given careful consideration. The home is a reflection of his own resilience. He continues to enclose the space, creating a haven. The walls tell a story of hard work and determination. He works from dawn till dusk, lost in the process of creation. The final panels are almost in place. The home is nearly complete. The final walls are now being constructed. He secures the last planks into place. With intense focus, he aligns a wall panel. The small cabin stands as a giant achievement. He works high on the wall, nearing the end of his task. The hammering continues, a steady, triumphant rhythm. He saws the final pieces needed to seal the walls. Fitting the last board is a moment of pure satisfaction. Now, he turns his attention to the entryway. Framing the door that will welcome him home. The house is almost finished, a beacon in the wilderness. It stands in quiet defiance of the wildness around it. A symbol of what can be achieved with one's own hands. The architecture is simple, yet profound. A home created in perfect harmony with its surroundings. He puts the final touches on the roof. Finishing the door frame, the last major task. Ensuring the walls are perfectly sealed. The final boards are laid on the porch. And with that, the great work is complete. The finished home, standing proud and strong. He begins to furnish the interior. Crafting panels for the interior walls. A window offers a stunning view of his wild domain. He fits the panels with an artist's touch. The entire structure is a product of his singular vision. He hammers in the final wall sections. The rear of the house is now fully enclosed. He cuts trim pieces for a finished look. The project nears its triumphant conclusion. Finalizing the trim work high on the gables. A panoramic view of the completed masterpiece. He completes the final touches on the roof line. Finally, he brings nature inside. Laying banana leaves on the floor as natural carpeting. A simple, beautiful, and sustainable solution. The house is finished, a home is born. He can now rest, a king in his own wooden castle. This is more than a building. It is a symbol of freedom, ingenuity, and peace. A very special thank you to the owner of the Fantriu TV for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.